Okay, 17 riders in the starting line for the Novice Open Production category. Sa ganito kadami, what will happen on the first turn usually is ganito. Alikabok blues ang mangyari. Hirap kang makita kung sino nasa unahan. Pero, whole shot by Jibin Lagrada followed by teammate Jeff Rasenable of Davao Digos. Dito mo makikita kung talagang sino matapang. Dahil ito yung mga novice riders, ito yung mga kumbaga 16 and 17 years old riders. So
talagang mainit pa yung mga...
Mainit pa to kasi most of these riders came from the beginners class. But merong mga riders dito na may mga edad na at experience.
Si Dexter.
Yes. Makita mo dito, Dexter Bacaba, one of the oldest riders for this category kasi Dexter is running for the executive class and you have to be over 35, but he is running dito sa Novice Open Production category. So makita natin dito mamaya kung who will get the finish checkered line. Oh, one rider is down. Bombet Santos number 11 is down. Yeah, he miscalculated a double jump. And another rider, Adam Uipichi. Sabihin ko sa iyo, ano iniisip niya ngayon, ha? Kung ako yung nasa si Adam, eto, ang bigat ng motor. Hay, walang hiya. Anong nangyari sa akin? Ganon ang iniisip niya ngayon dun sa nangyari. But on the lead right now is still Jibin Lagrada. And Jibin Lagrada is one of the upcoming riders in Mindanao together with Jeff Rasenable. Both of them come from Digos City, Davao. And nandito sila ngayon to join the Sergey Sports Philippine National Motocross Series riding for Tercel JMS Racing Team.
Pero mahabol itong number 100 na si JB Bacaba.
JB Bacaba, yes, comes from Iloilo. Kasi malapit na dito Iloilo. It's just 20 minutes away.
Ni JB Bacaba yung lead siguro ito.
Yes, nakuha niya dahil Jibong or other ang totoong pangalan niya is JB but everybody calls him Jibong Bacaba. One more lap to go for this Novice Open Production category. JB Bacaba number 100 is taking the lead
and followed by Jibin Lagrada. Jibin Lagrada, and then we have Dexter Bacaba on the third
the
place.
Older brother of Jibong Bacaba, number 100. Okay, checkered flag for the Novice Open Production category. We will be posting on the right side of your screen the overall champion and the overall winners for this category.
For the Novice Open Production.
Yes, for the first leg of the Sergey Sports Philippine National Motocross here in Guimaras.
In the island province of Guimaras.
Yes, so stay tuned for more racing after this.
This portion is brought to you by MS Motosuit, manufacturer of quality motorcycle seat covers.
This is the second heat for the Intermediate Open Production category. 21 riders in the starting line. Rider to beat in this category is Mr. Ted Conde, number 22 of Quick Flight Racing Osamis. Getting the whole shot again is Ted Conde of Quick Flight Tercel Racing Team. By the way, Ted Conde kanina sa first heat, siya yung nag-whole shot at siya yung nag-first place on the first heat. This is the second heat of the Intermediate Open Production category and looks like Ted Conde will be dominating still this category. Ano sa tingin mo kaya, Romel?
Yan, nung sa first hit, nanalo si Ted, whole shot, at saka siya yung nangunguna nung first hit. Ngayon naman, sa second hit, talagang malakas ang kutob ko na malaki ang magaganap ngayong season na to.
Yes.
Malaki ang tsansa.
Yellow flag is up, meaning a rider is down somewhere sa unahan ng racetrack, kaya may yellow flag. And back to what you said, Paulo Ino, rider is down. Sumablay siya doon, sumabit siya doon kay Ambo Yaparcon. His front wheel sumabit doon sa gulong ni Ambo Yaparcon, kaya ayan.
Naka-yellow flag agad. Dapat maagap yung mga naghahawak ng mga flag.
Yes, yung semplang ni Paulo na yun, sa tingin ko masakit yun dahil galing sa liko. But still, anyway, Ted Conde is enjoying his lead against everybody. He is now overlapping some of the riders na siguro yun yung sumemplang kanina ng yellow flag. Ang nasa likod ni Ted Conde is Michael Desbarro of Guimaras. Makita mo, ayan, si Paulo. Yes, and ngayon, that rider number 100 is JB Bacabak. Si Jebong. So, Ted Conde is enjoying a lead kasi preparado masyado si Ted Conde for this first leg of the...
Talagang pinaghahandaan nito, no?
First leg of the 2010 Motocross Series sponsored by CELJ Pharma. Kaya everybody is preparing para dito sa 2010 Motocross Series na to.
Sa mga tune-up games, nakikita ko talagang pinaghahandaan masyado ng mga riders ng intermediate at sa iba pang mga categories itong Guimaras race na to.
Kasi dito ginawa before, mostly yung mga sikat na mga riders tulad nila Bush Chase, nila Redan Lopez, dito ginagawa most of the national races before the 70s and 80s.
Dito sa Guimaras?
Yes, dito sa Guimaras. Kaya the CELJ Sports Philippine National Motocross is holding its first leg for the 2010 series dito rin sa Guimaras.
So parang binuhay niya yung...
Yes, the organizer, Mr. J. Lacnet, is giving buhay na naman dito sa motocross. Pero as we are looking at Ted Conde, buhay na buhay yung sakay niya. Makita mo, preparado si Mr. Ted Conde for this 2010 series. And I'm sure he will be